I'm excited to introduce the latest update to Stream Tools, an add-on for Autodesk's Civil 3D. The update became live on December of 2023. This version of Stream Tools has fixed several bugs along with introducing several improvements and improved functionality. We are excited to continue to develop Stream Tools so that it helps with your design process. If you have recommendations for how we could improve Stream Tools, we would love to hear them. In the next segment of the video, I will run through how to use Stream Tools for design, for those of you that have not already had a chance to use it. For the remainder of the video, we will go over the new functionality of Stream Tools. Once you have installed the Stream Tools add-on, you can find it in the add-ins section in your ribbon. To run Stream Tools, you need to have a centerline alignment that defines your channel and a Bankfull profile. If you need further instruction on getting to this point, you can check out our previous videos. For this example, we are using the alignment and profile that we created in our previous videos. To get started, click on the second icon or the stacked cross-sections icon. The method selection form should pop up. Make your selection, then click OK. For this, we are going to use the Riffle Pool glide optional cross-section option, and the defined pool drop profile option. Now select the centerline alignment. You can either click on the alignment or select it from a list. Now click on the Bankfull profile. Again, you can either click on the profile or select it from a list. Click OK on the pop-up. This pop-up is just telling you that the alignment parameters on the start and or the end of your alignment are not in the range of the other alignment parameters, and therefore will not be used to calculate the alignment statistics. Click the cross-section tab. On the Riffle tab, you can adjust the shape of your design riffle cross-section. You can use the Calculate Riffle button to open a riffle calculator. Here you can adjust variables to give you a starting point for your riffle design. Notice we have added the function to remove the Innerberm from the definition. Once you are happy with the shape of your cross-section, you can click Store Riffle and the values will be placed on the previous window. For this example, I click Cancel because I am happy with my design cross-section. Notice you can also manually adjust the points on this page. Clicking the Pool Cross-Section tab, you can now adjust the shape of your pool cross-section. The Pool Cross-Section tab also has a Pool Calculator button that opens the Pool Calculator. With the Pool Calculator window closed, click the Profile tab to make adjustments to your design profile. From here you can adjust the pool position, the proportion of the pool that is to be flat, and the amount of drop you want to take over your pools. Once you are finished making all of your adjustments, click the Finish tab. Here you will notice a new Save button. Now you can save all the design parameters without having to create the break lines. To create the break lines, click Compute. To bring the break lines into a surface, I like to copy and paste the outsidemost break lines over themselves. Convert the new lines to 2D polylines, set their elevations to 0, then use Linework Shrink Wrap around those lines to create a boundary for my channel surface. Put the boundary on its own layer so that it does not get confused with the break lines. Create a new surface and add the generated break lines to the surface definition. I like to add supplemental factors to the breakline definitions to improve the generation of our tin surface. Now add the boundary from the previous step to the definition of your channel surface. Create a new surface and paste the definitions of the bench grading and channel grading into that surface. If you are not familiar with this process, feel free to look back at our previous videos for a slowed down, more step-by-step process for using Stream Tools. Now we will look at the surface I have created using the Object Viewer. Stream Tools also offers us the ability to project a 3D polyline as a profile to an alignment. Click the first icon, or the icon with two stacked profiles, then select your alignment, then select the 3D polyline that you want to project. Give the profile a name, then click OK. The next Stream Tools operation we are going to look at is the running Stream Tools using the Riffle Pool glide optional cross-section option, and the Follow Bankfull profile option. In previous versions of Stream Tools, this was referred to as defined riffle drop. Using this function, the cross-sections will follow the Bankfull profile. Pools will drop at the Bankfull slope, unlike what was previously shown when we used the defined pool drop profile option, where we assume no drop over pools or a set elevation drop over the pools. Projecting the Thalweg profile to the alignment, you can see that the riffle and pool cross-sections follow the Bankfull slope. Now we are going to look at the third and final profile option, User Selected Profile, where the designer can manipulate the reference profile. To get started, we are going to generate the reference profile by clicking the third icon, or second set of stacked profiles. Select the centerline alignment and Bankfull profile. Now choose the pool drop that will be used to calculate the reference profile. Give the profile a name. In this case, I name it reference. Now you can manually manipulate what the reference profile does. This could be useful if you need to add drop over particular pools for adding structure or similar. With the reference profile adjusted, initiate Stream Tools and select the user selected profile option. Click OK. Now select the centerline alignment in the Bankfull profile. Run through the rest of the user interface, and in the Finish tab, click Compute. Now you'll be asked to select the reference profile. Select the adjusted reference profile. Projecting the Thalweg profile onto the alignment, you can see that the drop has been added to the adjusted pool, and that the rest of the pools have 0 drop. The final addition to Stream Tools that I will show you now is the Riffle Run Pool Glide Cross-Section option. This option gives you the opportunity to define 4 cross-sections along your alignment. With this option, you can use all 3 of the profile options. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. Thank you for watching.